Hi there, welcome. Today I want to talk to you about a subject that is big among, well, the keto world, I guess. And if you've been looking into the keto diet at all, you've no doubt heard about the keto coffee. Sometimes people call it bulletproof coffee. I prefer to call it keto coffee. And so a lot of the information out there makes it sound really complicated and kind of not very delicious, not very good tasting. Well, I want to debunk all of that today. And I'm going to show you my down and dirty method for making keto coffee every morning that tastes yummy and delicious. Welcome. I am Tiffany and I am a keto coach, and I am here to welcome you on your keto journey and to make it easier and simpler for you. Let's get started. Okay, so to make a delicious cup of keto coffee every morning, this is what I do. First of all, obviously, I brew my coffee. And now you don't have to use any special kind of coffee for this. You can just use the regular coffee that you normally buy in your grocery store, whichever kind you like. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be anything exotic or expensive or anything like that. So I brew my coffee first, and then whenever it's ready, first I put in about a tablespoon of coconut oil into the cup. After that, I put in a little bit of liquid stevia. And then I stir that up until the coconut oil gets, completely melted. And then I add a splash of heavy whipping cream. And then I stir that up, and that's all I do. That's all I do, okay? And it makes a delicious cup of keto coffee every morning that I look so forward to. It gives me so much energy. It tastes delicious. It really gets my mind focused and gives me a lot of mental clarity. So, a lot of people will tell you, or what you'll read is that you have to do all of this special kind of stuff, have a special kind of coffee. You have to blend it and do all this stuff. I'm telling you, you don't. Now, I will say that I've never tried blending it before, but from what I understand, this is something, whenever you do it my way, the down and dirty quick way, the only difference might be is with the coconut oil, it doesn't affect flavor or anything, but my way, the coffee's a little bit oily and you might feel your lips be a little oily, but I promise you, after a couple of days, you won't even notice that anymore, and it's just delicious keto coffee. Promise me, or I promise you. Sorry. Now, some people like to add some extra stuff into their keto coffee. A common one is a dash of cinnamon. Another one is a dash of vanilla extract. I've never tried either one, but it does sound delicious, and at some point I might. The only other thing that I sometimes put in my keto coffee is I did find a chocolate-covered liquid stevia. So every once in a while, to mix things up, I will put that in my coffee. The only difference in this and my regular liquid stevia is that the regular liquid stevia says 0 carbs and this one says 1 carb. So that is all that I do to make a delicious cup of keto coffee every morning. And the only thing that I would caution you about, if you're the kind of person who drinks coffee from morning until night, is be careful, keep it on the lower side with the heavy whipping cream, because even though it says 0 carbs, it does have like 0.5 so carbs are in it. So for a couple cups of coffee in the morning will not do anything bad for you if you're, pretty heavy-handed with the heavy whipping cream. But if you're drinking it all throughout the day, you might want to be a little more light-handed with it, because those 0.5 carbs will add up. So there you have it. That's all you have to do to have a delicious cup of keto coffee every day. And as always, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and comment on this video and let me know what kind of keto coffee you like. As always, stay strong and keto on.